How to make a round seal in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Word on your device. After you have opened Word, click on Insert at the top. After you click on Insert, in here click on Text Box. Add the text box and type in the word you want to create as round seal. After you have done that, select all your text and click on Home and make it center. After you've clicked on center, it will look something like this. Now, select your text box and then click on Insert at the top, or simply click on Shape Format and click on Shape Fill, No Fill. Then click on Text Effects. After you've clicked on Text Effects, click on Transform and click on Button. After you've selected Button, you will find your text curved. Now you can select individual text and change font as you want as well. After you've done that, adjust it as you want. In my case, it looks something like this. Now what you can do is click on Insert and click on Shapes. Select Oval Shape. Now add the shape as you want. Make sure all your text is inside the shape. Now in Shape Format at the top, click on Shape Fill and click on No Fill. It will look something like this. Now click on Shape Outline. You'll find different color. In here, simply click on Weight. After you have clicked on Weight, you will find all these options. Click on 3 points. After you've clicked on it, it will look something like this. Now select your circle shape and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D. Then make it smaller and as shown on the screen. And your round seal has been created. This is how to make a round seal in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.